Girl, I wish Mona wasn't mad at me. Maybe she is, but maybe I am superficial.
Hey, Chris.
Hey, Mona, I have a disaster. I need my hair done. The award show starts in 3 hours, and D-Lo can't do it.
Well, what do you want me to do, Chris?
I don't know. D-Lo was saying something about some type of twisties.
Girl, twisties.
This is no time for jokes. Is there any way you can come over and help me? Don't you have some products you can bring?
Well, actually, I do. I just got these new Aunt Jackie hair products, so I'll be on my way. I'll bring them over and we can figure something out.
Aunt Jackie? Who was that?
The natural products I use for my hair.
So you're not bringing a hot comb?
A pressing comb? Chris, if I'm going to be doing your hair, I'm going to do it in its natural state. It's my way or the highway.
The highway's sounding really good right now, sis.
Girl, hush. The least you can do is have your hair washed.
Have my hair washed? I don't know how to do that. D-Lo does that.
Hush, I'm on my way.
Wash my hair, I guess. Hey, girl. It only took you forever.
Well, I'm here now. Okay, let's see the damage. Yikes.
Don't say that, Mona. I don't know how my hair's gonna turn out. I don't have it together. I always have it together, Mo.
Chris, relax. You look beautiful, and your hair's gonna come out perfectly fine.
Are you sure?
Yep. It's called the Be Yourself Awards for a reason. You can't go wrong with that.
I guess you're right. I hope my followers like it.
They'll love it, and so will you.
This is a new phase, game change, flying by in real time, catching a deep wave at the right pace, seeing with bright eyes. I'm not looking for a reason, I'm giving up control. I'm not shying from my pieces on my own. Let it show. Take the time to conversate, ride the flow. Become better on the way. Take you one by one.
Wow. I don't know what to say.